Hello, everybody. Well, this is proof and evidence, I suppose, that the supposed new treatment that's going to save everybody's lives, make us all safe, keep us healthy, give us the best food, the best life that we could ever experience. And I'm talking about the mRNA. This here, look at this. This is from yesterday, so today. Sanofi and BioNTech, which we know who they used a treatment for people that has made a lot of people very sick and has unfortunately made a lot of people go to heaven. And they've culled their treatment for cancer, which is one where you actually use this treatment into a hard, solid tumour. They're a year into it and they've scrapped it. They've found out, they don't give the reasons as to why. They've just found out that it's not as effective as they thought it would be. They don't tell you how many people got sick, how many people out of the 77, I think it was 77 they had in the trial here, 77 patients in the trial. They haven't told you how many of those people are still here on this planet, how many people had any progressive or any advancement in reducing their tumour, whether they succumbed from cancer as the treatment was ineffective. I presume that's probably the case, but they aren't giving any information. They're just saying a year in, we've done our study and we are now not confident. So it's a little bit alarming when they do this. But then they go on to here. So they're saying that this one's failed. So you've got to understand, it's like try and try again. And they're basically normalising this treatment that anybody that's in a clinical trial, there's no guarantee that it's going to be safe. There's no guarantee it's going to be effective, and there's no guarantee that it's going to cure you or make your life any better. So my suggestion is do not enrol in any of these things unless you are terminal, because everybody has to have hope. And my theory is that even if it doesn't cure me, it may cure the next person, and if I'm dying, well, I will sacrifice. I won't give away my quality of life. So, if I find out that I've got 2 years, I'm not going to go and have a trial in the first month. And then find out, 2 months later that, no, sorry, it's really made you sick and yeah, you're going to die. You haven't even got a year and a half anymore. No, I wouldn't be stupid enough to do that because I don't trust and believe them. But anyway, but then so they've talked about that, and now they're going on about this one here. They removed another candidate from its phase 1 pipeline, which was one for the RSV. So they've reduced. This is the second one that just one company. This is just one company that's doing this vaccine therapy treatments that has removed 2 products in one email. Pretty unbelievable, isn't it? But then said, "Oh, we've only removed this one. This RSV one is because we already had another one in the pipeline, and it was better. So they're focusing it on another vaccine instead. And notice they call it a vaccine, not a therapy. But anyway, so that's a little bit alarming. And then yesterday, this one came through. Takeda, I've never heard of them, reveals PHII or 11. Fail for rare genetic condition, looks for new treatment. Again, this unfortunately, it won't give me any of the information, but this again is an mRNA technology, and this is not working. So it's common, what can I say? If this is just 2 days and 3 products have failed and have had to be removed from clinical trials, they will fall into the pipeline. No one will ever hear of these products and these situations ever again. And look at him, he's going, yeah, I tell you, it's going to be bloody fantastic, mate. Don't you worry. We will get this right. You're okay. We're okay. Don't worry. Yeah, you can see, how he is. But anyway, what else has it got over here? Sometimes these things are quite interesting. Okay. Oh, as Abdib celebrates better than expected earnings. Oh, And we know that has to do with the CCCCV stuff. Two late-stage trials of Lilly's tipiracide. Participants lost 1/4 of their weight. Wow. Let's have a look at see what this is. Let's open this in a new window. Wow. Oh, they're not going to... This is where endpoint, and I tried to log into it, and they would not give me any information. I had to give a job position, and when I said that I was a researcher, it would not allow it. When I said all these different types of researchers, it said, sorry, you cannot have a job description that short. So they're looking for very, very well versed people. So this one here, so you can look into that yourself if you wanted to. So there you go. 2 clinical trials that have failed, which to me tells you exactly about the whole thing with the treatments. Not good, not good. And what's this here? Roche. What have they axed? Okay. Oh. Axing a there we go. This is another one. Can you believe this? One more, and I forgot this was here because this is from, probably 3 days ago. So Roche had a mRNA technology treatment for hemophilia, and they've gone and had to axe it. I didn't do a video on this because it won't give me any more information. These ones do. So look at that. So they've removed the second gene therapy candidate from its pipeline. Why do they call it pipeline? They're all calling it pipeline. What is the meaning of pipeline? A long, strong, typically underground. Underground makes it seem nefarious, doesn't it? Or conveyancing oil, gas over long distances. Computing, a linear sequence of specialised modules used for pipelining. Convey, computing. Doesn't really tell us much, does it? Doesn't give us a medical one. Or if something is in the pipeline, it has already been planned or has begun. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. So, Roche, look at that. So they've been dealing with this stuff for, 3 years now, 2019, so it's nearly 4 years. And the effort drags on. What? Who advertises a medical treatment that is meant to save people's lives as something dragging on? It's like they're so disappointed that they have to be honest about this and tell people that this stuff is dangerous. I don't know what else to say. And this is just 3 things in 2 days. It's just... See, that's Judy Ruby, Dr. Ruby. She's saying the deadly mRNA. It's freaking deadly stuff. Oh my God. And they were testing it in healthy volunteers. Left the pipeline in the latest cull. Wow. This is just unbelievable. Can you believe this? And where is this in the media? Where they're talking only about what they say is the best thing since sliced bread. Sometimes sliced bread isn't so good because doesn't it go stale really quickly and mouldy a lot quicker? And you can't thicker slices. It's all uniform. And that's where we are individuals. And sometimes uniformity is the worst thing in the world. And look, I'm sorry, Roche. You might have some good products. I won't bag you. You're trying, obviously, to make money and get your shareholders. But, at the end of the day, you can't put a price on someone's life. Think about that. But anyway, I'm getting annoyed at this. Take care. Please don't take any of these treatments. Try to find some natural remedies. Do some mediation. meditation, not mediation, meditation, and try to find a way to maybe increase your own personal health. Clear your mind, have a positive attitude, and get lots and lots of sunlight, vitamin D, and take your own supplements and share love. That's all I'm going to say. But anyway, yes, Dr. Ruby, she's having a rant. But anyway,
I hope and believe that judgment will never be passed on a person solely on the basis of genetic information.